Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door. First, gather your essential tools, including a drill, a screwdriver, a tape measure, and a set of shims. Next, carefully measure your existing door frame opening. Note both the height and width, typically around 80 inches by 36 inches for a standard interior door. Finally, inspect your new door for any damage and confirm its dimensions match your frame. Now, let's remove the old door. Begin by using a screwdriver to tap out the hinge pins from the existing door's hinges. Once all pins are removed, carefully lift the old door off its hinges and set it safely aside. Then, unscrew and remove the old hinges and the strike plate from the door frame, preparing the opening for the new installation. With the old door out, it's time to prepare the new one and the frame. First, attach the new hinges to your new door, ensuring they are perfectly aligned and spaced, typically 7 inches from the top and 11 inches from the bottom. Clean the door frame thoroughly, making any minor repairs to ensure a smooth surface. For exterior doors, consider applying new weather stripping or sealants now. Finally, let's install and adjust your new door. Carefully lift the new door and position it into the frame, aligning the hinge leaves. Insert the hinge pins to secure the door. Test the door's swing, ensuring it opens and closes smoothly without sticking. Make any necessary adjustments using shims behind the hinges to achieve a perfect fit and a secure latch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.